Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are comparing Binance.us and Binance.com to help you understand which platform is right for you. Binance originally operated through Binance.com, but due to US regulations it launched Binance.us specifically for American users. While both platforms offer low trading fees and a similar trading interface, there are some important differences. The biggest difference is the number of cryptocurrencies available. Binance.com supports hundreds of coins and advanced features like futures, margin trading, staking, and trading competitions. Binance.us offers fewer coins and focuses mainly on spot trading to comply with US regulations. Both platforms have strong security and competitive fees, but Binance.us has a simpler interface that's easier for beginners. As for using a VPN to access Binance.com from the US, it's possible, but it violates Binance terms of services and could result in account restrictions, so it's generally not recommended. That's the key difference between Binance.com and Binance.us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.